Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the blend feature on CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to mesh two videos together. Let's see, which one should I use? This one and this one. I'm just going to mirror that. So I'm just going to place it here and I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. Then I'm going to place it on top, and here you have this blend mode and you can use like any of the blend mode to kind of combine them together. As you can see, this one kind of meshes together. Maybe let's just put it to the side more a little bit. And there's overlay as well. There is hard light, soft light, color burn, linear burn, color dodge, and multiply. But you're just going to adjust it to your liking, to your video, either multiply or darken. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.